I joined the Concierge Medical Services because I was looking for a better relationship with my doctor. I was very unhappy with the relationship that I currently had, and I had been with that doctor for about 15 years.
I've actually been a patient of Dr. Battolatos for 28 years, and there was no way I was going to leave him and the type of care that I had gotten used to. And when I heard about the premise of the concierge practice, I knew that I had to come along.
And I had great trust in Dr. Gersman, who'd been my doctor since I was a young child.
I feel that my decision to join Concierge Medical Service is the best medical thing that I have ever done in my life.
I joined CMS primarily because I have no family within a few hours of where I live, and I needed the security of knowing that somebody was on call 24/7 should I need anything.
I felt it important, since I had been treated so well by both of them, that I follow them to the Concierge Medical Service, and I am very happy and glad that I did.
We followed Dr. Battolato to CMS because I couldn't imagine going to another doctor. We had been seeing him since 1980, and we wanted to continue to have him as our doctor as long as we're here.
We spent a lot of time together before I even joined the practice, which I thought was amazing, that a physician would take time to spend time with me to explain to me how the practice works, what I could expect out of it, what my role would be, what his role would be, and it has been smooth sailing ever since.